Mahoney SVR, here we go.
Western Jefferson, Columbiana, and northeastern Carroll counties will expire at 3:45.
I record, you don't have to record.
Time. The storm which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limits and no longer poses an immediate threat to life or property. Therefore, the warning will be allowed.
It's about to get loud.
However, gusty
Let it last again. 3, 2, 1.
with this thunderstorm. Repeating, this
They're very late on
warning has been allowed to
5,
expire for the following
4,
counties:
3,
Ohio,
2,
and Columbiana.
1.
Thunderstorm warning for eastern Mahoning County and northeastern Ohio until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Boardman or New Youngstown, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect damage to
Don't tell me this is a doubleheader again.
Locations impacted include Youngstown, Columbiana, Boardman, Campbell, Canfield, Maplewood Park, Austintown, Struthers, Olin, New Middletown, and Lowellville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Mahoning, Ohio.
Yep.
Urgent weather message. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:50 p.m.